The check valve screws into the air tank and the outlet tube attaches to it. The check valve allows air from the cylinder to enter the tank, but prevents air from leaving the tank back to the cylinder. Over time, the check valve can stick open from corrosion or debris. Often when this happens, the motor will just hum when the compressor is turned on. This is caused by the pressurized air from the tank entering the cylinder. The motor can't overcome the pressure in the cylinder, so it stalls. Replacing the check valve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before I start any disassembly of the tank or the pump components, I'll want to go ahead and drain any air out of the tank that might still be in it. I'll begin by removing the top cover from the compressor. Now remove the outlet tube from the check valve. Now I can remove the check valve from the tank. And I'll install the new check valve. The valve comes with thread tape already on it, so I just need to thread it into the tank and tighten. Next, I'll reinstall the outlet tube. And I'll secure the cover back to the air compressor with the screws. I like to install all the screws loosely to start with, and then I'll tighten them up.